Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will take the circular part as a base. The base dimension is diameter 60 and inner diameter 25 mm. Length of the base is 90 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. So if you want, you can change the units here. Select the front plane, create two circles, give the dimension 60 and 50 mm. Sorry, 25. Finish sketch. Select the mid plane, give 90 mm dimension. Next select the front plane, sketch, create one circle here, give the dimensions. The outer dia is 28 mm, inner diameter is 14 mm, height is 85 mm. Give the vertical alignment. Select line, just join the like this. Give the tangent constraint. Convert entities, select this circle. Okay. Trim the unwanted circle. So finish sketch. Select here extrude. Select this face first. The thickness is 10 mm. And also here we need to give a offset here 35 by 2. Offset. Okay. Select the same sketch. Thickness is 15 mm. Give the offset 35 by 2. Select both the extrude. Select mirror about center plane. Okay. In between that there is a one plate. We can try with that plate with the rib command. Give the dimension here. The dimension is not there in the drawing. Give the dimension 98 mm. minus 30, 68 mm. Finish sketch. select rib command. The thickness is 10 mm. Okay. Next, here there is a one cutout. For that, select this surface, sketch. First, convert entities, select this circle. Okay. You can press the Ctrl 8 for normal. Select one line. Give the dimensions 22 mm. Trim this unwanted line. Finish. Extruded cut. The depth is 8 mm. Ctrl 7. You can mirror this cutout. Okay. Next, here there is a one tab hole. For that, we can create hole wizard. Tapped hole, bottoming tab. The tab dimension is M12.1.75 pitch, but here there is a 1.5 mm pitch. Here blind we can give through here. Position, select, place the tapped hole, give the dimension. Here to here 83 is there. 83. Give the vertical alignment here. Finish. Ctrl 7. So that's it, friends. We can assign the material here as per your requirements. Go to material, edit material. These are all the standard materials which are available in the markets. So now I will go with nylon material. Apply. Close. Go to edit appearances. Assign some different color. Okay. You can change this cutout colors here. Delete this. Select faces. Select all the faces. Change the color here. Like this we can change. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next session.